And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Sony Xperia Mark 6. Xperia 1 Mark 6. Let me make sure I get that right. Yeah, going to try out this phone and see what it's like. I'm all about the battery life, and apparently this is the king of battery life. So we'll see about that. So in the box, we just get the phone and some literature. Sony, you can save yourself a lot of money with just getting rid of all this useless paper no one looks at. Very minimal in its packaging. Okay, we'll move on from that. Let's put this aside and let's have a look at the phone. So yeah, this must be one of the lightest phones I've touched in a long time. It's ridiculously light, very light. As you can see, I'm filming this with my Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, which I'm trying out. Yeah, the phone's nice. I do like the weight a lot. Love the fact that we still have a headphone jack, as you can see there, and love the fact you can get into the SIM slot without a tool. Very easy. And micro SD card. Oh my god, I can't believe I can't remember the last time I had a phone that used a micro SD card. So I'm looking forward to that. Okay, let's try first boot. Hold on, nothing's happening. Let's try again. Okay, looks like the first boot you have to really hold that finger down. There we go. There we go. So yeah, I'm going to be looking forward to trying out this phone. I've only recently put the SIM inside the X Fold 3 Pro, so probably keep it in the X Fold 3 Pro for a little while, and then we'll try the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6. I'm looking forward to the interface. It's almost stock Android. Yeah, I like that. I feel like sometimes phones are too busy, too many features that anyone hardly uses. But maybe that's a good thing. I don't know. And here we go, waiting for this thing to. Oh, here we go. Finally. So yeah, looking good. Well, I'll get back to you when I have some more information on the Sony. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.